a bye-bye there, here a bye, there a bye, everywhere a bye-bye. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Warning that.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a
Får jeg grate for a leisure date? You capper vile.
Ah,
Oh,
I don't give Drake Bird a duvir.
a-ho. Ho!
Farmer to Mediki.
Our floors, I dares. Oh,
Fresh tomatoes for you. Thank you for shopping at our farm.
Thank you. They look wonderful.
1, 2, 3. Great job, Emma. You're learning.
I did it! Counting money is fun!
Look, so many friends love our farm vegetables.
We're doing great, Dad!
We worked hard and now we see the reward. So proud of you, Emma.
Look at all the coins! We did it!
Look at all these colorful fruits, Emma. What do you see?
Red apples and orange oranges, so many colors!
Red apples, orange oranges, so many colors. Nature is amazing.
Can we get some, Dad? They look yummy. Ooh.
Hello, Mr. Butcher. We're here for something special today. Welcome. What can I get for you? This is where our food comes from. We respect the animals that help us.
Thank you, animals. We love you.
Thank you for the fresh beef. We'll make something delicious tonight. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. We choose the best quality, Emma. Good food starts with good choices.
I want to learn too, Dad.
Farm animals give us food, Emma. We thank them by using it wisely and with love.
I understand, Dad. We are grateful.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Great helping, Emma.
I love helping you, Dad.
Thank you so much. See you next time.
Bye-bye, Mr. Butcher.
We got everything we needed. Now let's go home to Amma. She'll be so happy.
Home, Amma. Let's go. Oh.
Seatbelt on, sweetie. Ready for the ride home?
Ready, Dad. Buckled up.
All set? Let's head home, Emma.
Yay! Emma's waiting for us.
Look at our beautiful farm coming up, Emma.
I can see our house. We're almost there. Welcome home, my loves. Did you have a good day?
The best day, dear. And we brought surprise.
Ma,
I missed you.
I missed you too, Beta. Come, let me hug you.
Our little helper did amazing today.
Look at these beautiful vegetables, so fresh.
I helped pick the tomatoes, Amma.
And we got everything for tonight's dinner.
Like this, Beta, gently rub the tomatoes under the water.
Look, Amma, they're so shiny now.
Perfect. Carefully now, Emma. Add the carrots to the pot.
Like this, Amma?
Perfect. Our family kitchen is the best.
Round and round, just like that. You're a natural chef.
I'm cooked.
Dinner is ready. Everyone sit down.
Wow, everything looks so delicious.
All this food comes from our farm.
Thank you, Dad.
Let's enjoy our meal together.
Look, Amma, fireflies. They're like tiny stars.
Yes, Beta. Nature's little light saying good night.
Beautiful evening on our farm, isn't?
Swim, little cow. Swim, little chicken.
Having fun, Beta.
Yes, Amma. Bath time is the best.
All clean and cozy now, my little chick.
I love my cow pajamas, Amma.
They're perfect for sweet dreams. Once upon a time, on a beautiful farm.
Is that our farm, Amma?
It could be, sweetie. Dreams can take us anywhere.
Hello, friendly cow. Good night, cow.
And the cow said good night to all her friends. Brush, brush, brush those teeth, Emma.
Up and down, round and round, all clean.
Perfect. Ready for sweet dreams. Snuggle in tight, my little star.
Good night, dream of our farm.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Amma. Good night, farm. Good night, stars.
Good night, animals near and far. Sweet dreams, Emma. We love you.